You wake up in the morning with a bad hair day, but you really want your hair to be slayed. Go to Queen T, go to Queen T, go to Queen T, go to Queen T.
Hi, this is Queen T and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you too can become part of my Royal Squad. If you're already part of my Royal Squad, thank you for continuing to rock with your girl. It means everything to me. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on my updated ball cap method. This is a very seamless ball cap. It's super thin, and it just makes your slaves just that much better. So the things that you're going to need is I buy these ultra pantyhose, and I just get them from my local beauty supply store. They're queen size extra wide, and I get them in the white, and they're extra sheer. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I'm showing you, you're just going to cut off the leg part of the pantyhose, and now I'm going to go in and I'm going to clean my forehead. You want to make sure that you get all the dirt and grease and makeup off before you start laying your ball cap. After I clean off this area, you're going to see me go in with some skin protectant. Remember, I always tell you guys, when you're using adhesives, it's great to use some skin protectant. So now you want to go ahead and comb back all the hairs, and then you're going to go in with some hairspray. I'm using Got To Be. Brush those hairs back and then blow dry it down till it's nice and dry. Okay, after you get everything nice and dried and laid back, you go ahead and put the stocking on, and then you want to cut out some holes around your ear. This is going to allow your cap to lay flat against those sides. Now I'm going in with my I Am Beautiful Hustler glue, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in front of my hairline and spread it out really thin with a popsicle stick. I usually sit up under a hooded dryer and let this dry down clear, but today I just didn't feel like it. I wasn't feeling very well today, so I just did it with the blow dryer. But you want to go ahead and get as thin as possible with your popsicle stick and then let it dry. You can either let it air dry or you can go ahead and dry it down with a blow dryer. Now I'm going in with my Even Wonder Lace spray, and I'm going to go ahead and spray behind where I just glued that at, and this is going to go ahead and give it some extra security and stop the cap from rolling back. You want to go ahead and you want to blow dry that down until it's nice and dry, kind of hard. So after everything dries down, then you want to go in with your foundation to tint the lace. I'm using my Ruby Kisses 3D foundation in the level 11. So I go ahead and I put that all around my hairline and maybe halfway back towards the middle of my head. And then once you do that, then you want to go in and you want to cut off all the excess stocking cap. Now here you see me going in for my second melt on this. I just take my elastic band and I tie it around there and I let it sit on there for 10 minutes, and that's going to give us the ultimate melt. I hope this tutorial has been very helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you don't chase your dreams, you'll never catch your dreams. Bye.